What is Islam? Islam, a faith followed by more than 2 billion people across the globe. But what is Islam really? Is it just rituals or a complete way of life? In this video, we will explore what Islam truly means, its beliefs, practices, and the peace it brings to millions of hearts every day. Meaning of Islam. The word Islam means submission to the will of Allah. A Muslim is someone who submits with sincerity and lives in harmony with God's guidance. The greeting Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you, reflects the very essence of this faith. At its core, Islam is about peace, mercy, and justice. The core beliefs. Islam rests upon 6 pillars of faith. Number 1, belief in Allah, the one and only God. Number 2, belief in His angels. Number 3, belief in His revealed books, including the Torah, the Gospel, and the final revelation, the Quran. Number 4, belief in the prophets, among them Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad.
Peace be upon them all. Number 5, belief in the day of judgment when all will be held accountable. And number 6, belief in divine decree that all things happen with God's knowledge and wisdom. The 5 pillars of Islam. Faith in Islam is practiced through 5 essential pillars. The first is the Shahadah, the declaration that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is His messenger. The second is Salah, the 5 daily prayers, a direct connection with the Creator. The third is Zakah, giving charity to purify wealth and help the poor. The fourth is Sawm, fasting during Ramadan to purify the soul and strengthen self-control. And the fifth is Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca, a once-in-a-lifetime duty for those able. Islam as a way of life. Islam is not limited to rituals. It is a complete way of life. It guides family relationships, business dealings, and community interactions. It teaches honesty, kindness, patience, and forgiveness. Guide for humanity, covering moral, social, and spiritual aspects of life. Islam and other religions. Islam recognizes and respects the prophets and revelations that came before. It honors Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus, peace be upon them all. Muslims believe Jesus is a prophet of God, not divine himself. This shows Islam's message is one of unity and respect, not division. The message of peace. Despite many misconceptions, the true message of Islam is peace, justice, and mercy. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who bring benefit to others." This simple teaching captures the heart of Islam, spreading goodness, compassion, and peace. Islam is more than a religion. It is a path of peace, mercy, and connection with the Creator. To truly understand Islam, one must begin with the Quran and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content. And let us know in the comments, what would you like to learn about Islam next?